So we're here in the 2016 Lexus RX. I'm going to go over some wonderful features with you, just so you know just how to work everything and just so you're comfortable with doing so. Okay, we're gonna first, I want to make sure that you're using your car. Sit back, relax, don't feel, you know how we get sometimes when we're trying to use new stuff. Sit back, relax. When we're using this voice recognition system, point out your microphones. The microphone is here, that's here. So the car is going to hear you. So relax, say what you need to say. The car is going to understand you. Alright, let's go. If you press the off hook phone button, that's going to bring up our phone menu. And now if we go over to contacts, we'll find that all of our phone numbers are transferred over to the vehicle. You also have access to your full call history, even a favorites tab that you can set up for those people that you call on a regular basis. Now, if you want to call someone that you don't have in your contacts, you can even use a dial pad. Alright? Now, once the vehicle gets to moving, you will find that you won't be able to use the dial pad or the contacts list. But even better than that, we can use our voice recognition, and you can tell the car who you want to call it that way. Watch this.
Please say a category name.
Call Lexus of Jacksonville.
Call Lexus of Jacksonville.
And it's that simple. Alright, I've already shown you a few things already, but we're not done having fun just yet. There's a few more things I want to show you that's going to make you all the more comfortable with your vehicle. Alright, take a look at this now. We're going to start by pressing the voice recognition button.
Please say a category name.
Tune to 89.9 FM.
Tune to 89.9 FM.
Now that I've shown you how to tune to an FM station, do know that you can also tune to an AM or even a satellite station as well. To tune to a satellite, you can say tune to Real Jazz. Or if you know the number of the channel, you can say tune to channel 67. As you've probably already seen, there's a number of different things you can do with this car. Of course, we're not going to leave out the climate controls. Watch what this thing can do, just with the voice recognition alone. Listen. You can tell it everything from lower temperature to raised temperature. You can say climate control and it'll cut it off if it's on and on if it's off. But let me show you this. This is really fantastic. First, press the voice recognition button.
Please say a category name.
72 degrees.
72 degrees.
Alright, now the next thing, I know we've all been waiting for this. Navigation. Okay? Let me show you how easy it is to put in a destination while the vehicle's in motion. Yes, we're going to do it all by voice. Watch this. So we'll start by pressing the voice recognition button.
Please say a category name.
Address.
Enter an address. Please say the full address.
10259 Atlantic Boulevard, Jacksonville, Florida.
10259 Atlantic Boulevard, Jacksonville, Florida. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, so last time I showed you how to do it by address, but now let's take a different approach. This time we're going to do it by point of interest. Let's take a look. We'll start by pressing a voice recognition button.
Please say a category name.
Find Lexus.
Find Lexus dealerships. Please say the list number.
1.
Number 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, it's been a pleasure sitting with you. Again, if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Gabriel. I'm here for you whenever you need me, okay? I'm talking right now, 2 weeks from now, 6 months, years from now. Let me know what questions you have. I know we're sending you home with some manuals, but please let me be your man. If you have a question, let me be able to get the answer for you, okay? Thank you. It's been a real pleasure. Enjoy your new SUV.